Do you really love the lamp, or are you just saying it because you saw it?
I love lamp. I love lamp.
Welcome to Power Tools for Beginners, guys. We're going to be reviewing the Milwaukee Packout light, and I love this tool. This tool is an ass-kicking tool. It's got compartments for your phone. It's got a option to charge your phone while you're actually using the lights. It's got 3 light levels, which literally each and single one of them can light up a 30-foot by 10-foot room with no problems whatsoever. I mean, it works actually better than the light bulbs that I got in the room. I purchased this light with a 5 amp battery. I tried it out, left it on to see how long it lasts. Literally, it lasted me 10 hours. So I was very happy. Again, this is a tool that I completely recommend. It is a must have. Check out how it's lighting my living room. I mean, it's a 30-foot by 10-foot living room, and the light that it produces is actually better than the 2 light bulb lights that I actually have in the room. So it's definitely an ass kicking tool, worth every penny of the price. If you can, you can get a promotional package that comes with the 5 amp battery included. I purchased it at Home Depot, and I cannot be happier with this tool. Definitely one of the top 10 best tools that I own. I'm walking to the other side of the room just so you guys could check out the power of the light. So you guys can see how bright it is. I mean, it's a great tool. Again, recommended. 100% recommended ass kicker. Please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day.